Students, up till now we have discussed the substituent, which is just a methyl group. This is an example of substituents which are attached to the heading part via the terminal carbon, right? But what would be the name of molecule if the substituent is a long chain of alkyl group and that alkyl group is attached to the heading part via one of its middle carbon? Let's consider this molecule. In this molecule, the long chain of alkyl group is present, right? And this alkyl group is attached to the heading part via middle carbon. For such a molecule, you have to number the substituent part 2. Select the heading part of substituent 2 in this molecule. This substituent is a long chain of alkyl group which is attached to the heading part via one of its middle carbon, right? For such a substituent, you have to divide the substituent 2 into the long chain of carbon atom, right? After selecting the long chain of carbon atom in the substituent part, you have to number each carbon atom in the substituent part, and keep in mind, start the numbering from that carbon which is attached to the heading part, right? So let's start the numbering of heading part first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now number the long chain of carbon atoms in the substituent part. 1, 2, 3, 4. The remaining all the atoms or group of atoms would be the substituent of that substituent, right? So firstly name this part of the molecule which is at first carbon there is a methyl group. So write one methyl and this chain is a butyl, right? So one methyl butyl, right? And this chain is attached to the heading part via third carbon. So name of molecule would be generated as 3,1-methyl-butyl 2,4-hexadiene, right? So consider another example which contains a substituent having a double bond, right? For such a substituent, you again have to number the substituent part 2, right? And numbering would be started from that carbon which is attached to the heading part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3. At first carbon there is a double bond. As this is a 3 carbon chain and having a double bond, and this chain is attached to the heading part, right? So this substituent would be named as 1-propenyl. Previously we used propyl, but now there is a double bond, so you have to use the word propenyl for any double bonded species which has 3 carbon atoms in a chain, right? So name of this molecule would be 1-propenyl, which is attached to the heading part via third carbon, and 2,4-hexadiene. Students, what would be the name of molecule if this double bond is present between second and third carbon? Right, like this, right? Firstly, you have to number the heading part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now number the substituent part 1, 2 and 3. Now the double bond is present at second carbon. So the substituent part would be 2-propenyl, and this 2-propenyl is attached to the heading part via third carbon, right? So name of molecule would be 3,2-propenyl 2,5-heptadiene. Students, up till now we have discussed a propenyl group which is attached to the heading part via the terminal carbon. So what would be the name of molecule if propenyl group is attached to the heading part via middle carbon? Consider this molecule. This is again a propenyl group, but it is attached to the heading part via middle carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the substituent is not a propenyl group but an isopropenyl group, right? And it is attached to the third carbon of heading part. So name of the molecule would be generated as 3-isopropenyl 2,4-hexadiene, right? Students, let's consider the last example of IUPAC nomenclature of straight chain or branched alkenes, like this. This is again a substituent having a double bond in it and attached to the heading part via the terminal carbon. So firstly, Number the heading part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now number the substituent part, and numbering would be started from that carbon which is attached to the heading part 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here the double bond is present at second carbon of substituent, right? So name of the molecule would be generated as 3,2-butynyl because it is a 4 carbon chain and having a double bond, so it would be butynyl group, right? 3,2-butynyl 2,4-hexadiene. Students, this is all about the IUPAC nomenclature of straight chain and branched alkenes. In the next lecture, we will discuss the nomenclature of cycloalkenes.